What is up YouTube, back again with another video. In today's video I wanted to show you guys the best apps of 2016 so far. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So when you first launch AppLock, you'll be greeted with this blue screen. From here you're required to set up a pin. I simply made one on the spot. After that, it's going to ask you to confirm it again. Then you're just going to want to hit done. It will ask you for AppLock permissions. You go ahead and just hop into settings and go ahead and turn AppLock on. After you have enabled AppLock, you simply want to kill the application, then open it once again. You will be greeted to put your password in. After you've put in your password, you will be greeted with these three tabs, the first one being all apps, the second one being locked, and the third one being unlocked. All apps, you're able to toggle which ones are on and which ones are off. For instance, I'll use ES File Explorer. Once you do have it toggled on, you simply just exit out of the app, and you should be ready to go from there. We'll go ahead and look for ES File Explorer to see if it did work. And there you go. You will be prompted to put in the password. If you put in the incorrect password, the screen will turn red. If you happen to put in the right password, it'll simply unlock the screen. It's easy as that. Now what I do like most about this application is that it does allow you to have fingerprint reading. And you can see there it does have a toggle. We'll go ahead and toggle it on. I am running the Nexus 6P, so it does have a fingerprint sensor on the back. Now keep in mind, my index finger is already inputted, my middle finger is not. So we'll go ahead and hop into the application, and it prompts you to put in your finger, not your password. So let's go ahead and scan the middle finger, and it won't work since it's not already scanned. But we'll go ahead and scan my index finger, and you can see that it unlocked just fine. This is what makes this application stand out from all the others, since it does allow you to add your fingerprint. Ever wish your screenshots were more appealing? Well, what Screener allows you to do is just that. To start off, you pick a phone layout. For this case, I chose the Nexus 6P since that is my phone of choice. After you have chosen your phone layout, you're able to insert an image pressing the plus sign. After you have picked your image out, you can go ahead and modify the image from here. You can even add a background. For instance, I'll go ahead and add a background by hitting the arrow on the bottom, and there you go. Once you are satisfied with the image and background, you can either share it or save it onto your device. And that's basically it. This is what Screener does. I do like this app. It is a nice little app to make thumbnails and whatever other screenshots you would like. The next application on the list is called Send Anywhere. I really do like this application. It does help me a lot by sending different files from different devices, and also your laptop as well. What I do like best about this application is that it allows you to send all types of files, whether it be photos, pictures, or any file you can possibly think of. The way it works is you would hit this either send or receive button. In this case, we'll go ahead and hit send, and it cycles through all your photos, pictures, pretty much any file you have on your phone. As you can see here, you're able to even send applications through this app. I do like this app a lot. It does help me send files back and forth through devices, even my laptop, so we'll go ahead and test it out. We'll go back to photos. We'll go ahead and send this photo out. We'll go ahead and click send. It will give you this code. We'll wait for it to generate, and there's the code that it does give you. On your other device, you would go ahead and input that same code. You would click receive, and then it would give you this pop-up to enter that code. Once you have entered the code properly, the process will begin to start. It should take about a couple minutes or so depending on your internet speed. So there you guys have it. That was Send Anywhere. If you guys are looking for a new weather application, look no further than MoreCast. MoreCast is a free application, which I do really like. It is a very nice application with its UI being very intuitive and having a lot of information, as well as the weather being really accurate. So when you do launch MoreCast, the first screen you are greeted with is obviously the weather or the current weather that it is now. So you can see there it is currently 73 degrees. If we scroll down, it does give you a little bit more information. Now if we do scroll to the right, it does give you a lot more information as well. So we'll go ahead and scroll. You can see it does give you the temperature graph. It does give you a chance of rain. It does give you the wind graph, which I do like a lot. It does give you the humidity and the UV index graph, which I do like a lot. So like I said, if you are looking for a new weather application, go ahead and check out More Weather. It is free in the Play Store, so go ahead and check it out. The next application I want to check out is called Blur Wallpaper. It is a very simple application, but yet effective application. I do like using this application a lot just because it does help me set up my home screen as far as my wallpaper goes. Now let's say you do like a wallpaper and it is a little too bright where you're not able to see your icons. Well, this application does help you do that. Now you can go ahead and set the blur by simply scrolling down on this little zigzag line. You go to the next option, you can go ahead and darken out the wallpaper if you'd like to make it just a tad bit darker so your applications can pop out just that much more. And you can even change the gradient scale, making it all the way gray, or if you want to splash some color into it. Now that you're satisfied with your wallpaper, you can go ahead and just click save down at the bottom corner, and it'll go ahead and save and apply your wallpaper as well. Once the little check mark shows, you're good to go. Just head home and there's your new and improved wallpaper. So there you guys have it. That's basically what I had for the best apps of 2016. Now if you guys did go ahead and enjoy the video, just go ahead and leave a like, and we'll go ahead and catch you in the next video. Peace.